Bro, listen. I'm about to tell you something real. A few months ago, I hit a point where life felt like it was punching me non-stop. Friend left, plans failed, confidence shattered. And one night, I just sat there thinking, why me? Why does it hurt this much? But then something crazy happened. I realized pain isn't just pain. It's a signal, a push, a wake-up call. So instead of running, I faced it. I used every heartbreak, every disappointment like fuel. Started working out harder, studying smarter, praying deeper, showing up for myself. And you know what? That same pain that almost broke me became the thing that rebuilt me. If you're hurting right now, remember this: pain doesn't stop you, it shapes you. Turn it into power. If this story moved you, subscribe to StoryNest Official, where stories shape strength, one lesson at a time.